Hey everybody, Hy-Vee just launched their spring beauty box. It's over $50 worth of product that you get all in here for just $10. So if you haven't already, make sure and head into your local Hy-Vee into the beauty section and purchase this beauty box. I will link it below so that you know exactly what it is and where you can get it. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and review all these beautiful goodies for you right now. So the first product that I use is the Soapbox Tea Tree Soothing Hydrating Hair Mask. And this you can use once a week as a deep conditioner for your hair. You want to use it in place of conditioner after shampoo. So just shampoo your hair like normal, rinse it out, and then apply this all over. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it out. It has peppermint oil, tea tree oil, shea butter, vitamin E, so it is ultra hydrating. And then the tea tree oil and the peppermint really help stimulate circulation on your scalp, so you get that really nice, fresh, clean feel. So loved this. That is the first thing in the box. All right, so there were actually 3 cleansers in this beauty box, and they're for all different skin types. So the first one is the Top Care Cleansing Wipes in Pink Grapefruit. And these are actually gentle enough that you can use them all over, including even on your eyes. There's not a heavy scent. They're very, very gentle. I actually recommend using these before you use a liquid cleanser on your skin so that all your makeup is removed, or most of it is removed, so your cleanser can actually get in and do its job. So cleansing wipes in Pink Grapefruit. We have the Neutrogena Skin Balancing Cleanser, and this is a little bit better if you have combination to dry skin. This cleanser is great because it has polyhydroxy acid in it, which is a liquid exfoliator, and that's important if you have sensitive skin or if you are acne prone or have active breakouts. You don't want to use a granule or beaded exfoliator that actually is abrasive on your skin. You want to use something that is very gentle like this. So it's a chemical exfoliant, and it has a natural humectant in it that's going to help hydrate your skin and keep it very balanced and feel very gentle on your skin. So awesome cleanser. The next cleanser is the Pacifica Kale Detox Face Cleanser, and this is a little bit better if you have normal to oily skin. This is really gonna help unclog your pores, and this is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It has an amazing scent to it. I wasn't sure how it was gonna smell with the kale in there, but I actually really, really liked it. It has a very fresh, natural scent to it. And I feel like my skin felt very soft. It didn't feel tight or dry after, but it felt very, very clean. So great for oily skin. The next thing that we have in the box is the Scrunchie Comfy Stretch, which they say is the most comfortable scrunchie ever. Let's check it out. So I do love to use scrunchies when I sleep. My hair is so long that if I go to bed with it all down, I often get it like tangled in my arms and stuff at night. And so it is nice to have my hair back and away from me. And the scrunchies are great because they don't leave lines in your hair. So I like to do like a big bun like this on top of my head when I sleep, and that does feel pretty comfy. For now though, I am going to just do like a low pony with this. This is super cute, and it's very comfortable and stretchy. I do really like this, and cute color too. So we'll throw my hair back for the video, throw it back for a real one. Okay, cute. The next thing that we have is the Method Body Wash, and this actually felt really, really good. It's a coconut, rice milk, and shea butter body wash, and it's super, super soft and nourishing on the skin, but it smelled absolutely amazing. I will definitely continue to use this body wash. Next, we have the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel Cream, and I use this as my moisturizer. It has a really nice reflective property to it. I think my skin looks really healthy and radiant and dewy. It's packed with essential oils that help hydrate your skin, and it also has an ingredient in it that helps mimic your skin's natural oils. So it's a great emollient, and it's a great antioxidant moisturizer too. So very good everyday moisturizer. I would just put an SPF on top of it, but it does work really well under makeup. I think my skin looks awesome with this, so I will definitely keep using that. Next we have the Flower Mix and Matte Lip Color, and this one is in Melon Kiss. I already put the lipstick on so that you could see the color. The cool thing about this is that it is a 2-in-1. I am all for products that make your beauty routine a little bit simpler. So we have the matte lipstick on this side, which I've already got on, and you can wear that by itself. It is a really nice pigment and it feels very comfortable. Then on the other side, you have your lip gloss. So if you want to add a little more shine, you just pop that on top of it. And the gloss feels great too. It's very soft, it's not too heavy or sticky. It's a very comfortable product. And this product line was actually created by Drew Barrymore. She wanted to create a line that was easily accessible and affordable to everybody, that was also effective. So this lipstick is only $10. So if you want this lipstick, buy the beauty box. It's only $10, and then you get all these extra things for free. It's over $50 worth of product that you get in the beauty box. So it is just practical. So that lip duo. And next we have a cult favorite. It is the Essie nail polish in Ballet Slippers. And this is like the perfect iconic nude nail color. It's just a nice like soft pink. The formula is actually formaldehyde free. It is a chip resistant formula, and then it also has a streak free brush on it. So Essie nail polish and Ballet Slippers, perfect nude. Last, we have the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. It is bovine derived, which is from cows, y'all. And this is 10 grams of collagen, which your daily allotted recommendation is anywhere from 3 to 15 grams of collagen. So it is a safe amount, and this is gonna help with healthy hair, skin, nails, joints, anti-aging. You can put it in water, smoothies, coffee. They even had some food recipes with it, and I'm gonna taste it. I haven't tasted it yet, so let me mix it up real quick, see what we think. All right, so I'm gonna add it to my coffee, and I'm gonna do half of it because it is recommended to go in a full bottle of water, and this I've already drank half of it. Let's see how it tastes. I cannot taste it at all. It says it is unflavored, and they are correct. So, all in all, the Hy-Vee Beauty Box, 2 thumbs up. It is only $10. Head in and get it. Like I said, I'll link below. Let me know if there are other products that you guys want me to review or other videos that you want to see. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay.